Good morning, children. So, today we are going to learn about the eating habits of animals in science. Alright? Okay, first of all, what is the purpose of teaching you this chapter? To understand that different animals have different eating habits, right? What is a food chain, and about the different body parts which are used by animals to have food, right? So, beta, tell me one thing. If you don't get food for a week, what would happen? Would you be able to survive without food or water? No, it is not possible, right? As we need food, all the animals who are living in this world, on this earth, they all need food. Tell me one thing again. A question is there, why do we need food? Simple, we need food to get energy, to get strength, to do work. We need energy to do any work, okay? And food provides us with that energy. Moreover, it makes us healthy, it keeps us fit if we are eating a balanced diet. Right. Now in this chapter we will learn about the eating habits of animals. How do animals eat? It is really very interesting to know the way we are eating our food. All the animals, they are not eating the food like that. Okay, we are using our teeth to chew the food, but there are animals who do not chew at all, just swallow. So, in this chapter, we will learn about that, right? First of all, okay, let us start. Animals can be categorized into three groups on the basis of their food choices. Okay, number one, herbivores, number two, carnivores, and number three, omnivores. We will study all these three types in detail. Number one, herbivores. Herba means plant, vores means eater. Plant eater. The animals who depend on plants for their food, they are called herbivores. Right, so we have a category of animals: elephant, giraffe, cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, etc. and so on. They all are herbivores animals. Right? Number two, carnivores. Carna means flesh, vores means eater. The animals who eat only flesh of other animals, they are called carnivores. Alright, beta, eagle, vultures, tiger, lion, leopard, all the cat family animals, wolf, snakes, they all are carnivores. Then we have the animals who eat both plants and flesh of other animals. They are called omnivores. Omni means all. Vores means eaters. Omnivores means the animals who eat both plants and animals. They are called omnivores. Human beings, the best example for that. Then we have bear. Bear loves to eat honey and flesh of other animals also, right? Similarly, dog, he eats the flesh of other animals, and then chapatis, milk also he eats. We have dogs as pets in our houses, no? So all the time we are not giving him non-veg to eat. So they are omnivores animals, right? After knowing that there are three types of animals, we should know how do they eat their food. Now we all know. अब हमें इतना तो पता है ना कि कौन कौन से एनिमल्स क्या क्या कहलाते हैं. इफ़ दे आर ईटिंग प्लांट्स, दे आर हर्बीवोर्स. दे आर ईटिंग फ्लैश, दे आर कार्निवोर्स. दे आर ईटिंग बोथ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स, दे आर omnivores. But now, how do they eat food? Let us read about it. A number of animals have special body parts which they use to get their food. Okay, so the animals who eat only plants, they have flat grinding teeth to chew their food. Okay, their front teeth are sharp but they are not pointed. They are sharp only. So, okay, cows and buffaloes, they have a very interesting way of eating. You know what they do? They first swallow their food without chewing it. Can we do this? क्या ऐसा हो सकता है? आपको भूख लगी है एंड आप 3-4 चपातीज इकट्ठा पहले swallow कर लो और बाद में उसको च्यू करो. इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर ह्यूमन बींग्स? नहीं ना. बट एनिमल्स हैव वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग वेज ऑफ having their food. So cows and buffaloes, what they do, first of all, they swallow their food and they don't chew it. Just the food goes inside. After some time, they bring the food back into their mouth and chew it properly. It is called chewing the cud. right? Camel is the example, cow, buffalo, they are the example. They do this. Cud chewing animals, they are called. Okay, so some animals such as snake, they do not chew their food at all. What they do? They swallow their food as a whole. Then we have insects. What do insects do? Butterflies, they suck the sweet nectar. Nectar क्या होता है? Flowers का जो juice होता है ना, it is called nectar. Butterflies, they suck the sweet nectar of flowers. They don't have teeth, they have a long hollow tube in their mouth. Okay, they use it to suck the nectar the same way. You drink cold drinks, no? So what you do? Many a times you use a straw, and through that straw you suck the juice, right? Similarly, butterflies and insects, what they do? They don't have teeth. They have a tube-like structure, okay? And through that tube, they suck the nectar from the flowers. Okay, so it happens no at night when you sleep, you feel कि some mosquitoes are biting you. How? They don't have teeth now, but similarly, a mosquito, it stabs you with a sharp hollow tube in its mouth and then uses it like a straw to suck the blood from your body. Clear to all of you? Similarly, a number of animals, they have special body parts. For example, a chameleon. Chameleon has a long sticky tongue. It takes out its tongue and then captures its prey. It shoots out its tongues to catch small insects. Frog also uses its tongue in the same way. Elephant has a long trunk. Giraffe has a long neck. Okay? And elephant's trunk, it helps to pluck leaves and push them into the mouth. It drinks water, sucks water from its trunk and puts it into the mouth. Right, beta? And you must have seen rabbits, squirrels, okay? The way they eat their food, no? तो it is called gnawing, G-N-A-W-I-N-G, gnawing. कुतर कुतर के खाते हैं ना अपने खाने को. This way, and then we have lions, tigers. They have very sharp, pointed front teeth for piercing and tearing flesh. And at the back, they have broad, flat teeth. With that, they chew the flesh of the animals. Frogs, they have a sticky tongue, and through that, they catch the prey. And we all should know there is always a chain in the environment. Okay, small fish, they are eaten by the bigger fishes. Okay, जैसे कि it is called food chain. In our environment, what happens? No, plants, they are eaten by deer. Deer is eaten by tiger. Similarly, wheat is eaten by rats, mouse. Mouse is eaten by owls. So there is a chain in the environment. It is called food chain. A food chain tells us who eats what in nature. And we can make several food chains. It is very interesting. So all the food chains, they begin from plants. Because plants are the only producers. Means they prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. You all know what is photosynthesis? Simple. It is a process by which green leaves of the plants, they prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, okay, and carbon dioxide gas. So plants, they prepare their own food, and all the animals, we human beings, each and every creature, they all depend on plants. So all the food chains, they begin from the plants. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, now let us talk about birds. Okay, birds do not have teeth, they have beaks which help them to eat. They use their claws to catch food, okay, and they also use them to protect themselves. Some birds like eagle, they eat the flesh of animals, and few birds like sparrows, they eat fruits, seeds and grain. Right, beta? Birds have claws and beaks which are suitable for their eating habits. And a flesh-eating bird such as an eagle or a vulture, they have a strong sharp beak shaped like a hook. It helps to tear the flesh, right? And seed-eating birds, they have short pointed strong beak which helps them to crack seeds. देखा है ना पैरट को? पैरट eat seeds, nuts and fruits. It has a strong curved beak which is used by it to crack the nuts, right? Few birds like kingfishers, they have a long scissor-like beak and they help them to catch small fishes. That's all in this chapter, beta. So in this chapter we have read about the different ways of eating. Okay, the eating habits of the different types of animals. That's all in this chapter. Go through this chapter many a times. You should understand all the different ways of eating habits of the animals. Alright, take care. Thank you.